Oh, yeah, I totally forgot. It's been 8 years. It's my 8-year lock anniversary. I totally forgot. God, time flies, okay? As you can see, I've gone through a lot of changes with my hair and I don't regret any of them. I'm still rocking the extensions on the ends to protect my loose hair at the ends. So that's going pretty cool. No complaints whatsoever. I have now started to just manicure my front just a little bit more because I do like how that looks on me more. So I have changed my, I guess, my appearance a little bit as far as, and I'm going out just so, I just like it the way it looks better, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I have combined more locks. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. So I combined, because I just love it. I'm like obsessed with combining locks. I just love thick locks. So I combined these babies together. As you can see, they're going to be so thick. Woohoo! Love it. I'm excited. I combined these two babies together. They're going to be thick. And I combined these babies right here. Yeah, I did that. I combined. I would like to combine maybe 2 more and that's it. I don't really need to combine anymore, but I just love my hair. I'm very happy with it, no complaints. Yeah, I haven't done a tour on my hair yet, so let me just go around, turn around like back in the day, you know? I used to do back in the day. Real quick. Today's actually a wash day, so I need to do that. I really need to do that. Also, what I have incorporated into my regimen is clove water. I have started spraying my scalp with clove water about every day, almost every day. And in that clove water, I also have rosemary and peppermint oil. These are all essential oils. So I make the clove water out of clove essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing and I love it. I just love the way it tingles on my skin. It's been helping my scalp. I won't say I have scalp issues, but every time I wash my hair, there's like some kind of, I noticed that some of the scalp, gets locked in my locks. I've never done a video on that, but I just have to clean them out each time. And as I've been using this clove water, there's less of that happening. But I do still have to pre-scratch my scalp to get the flakes or whatever it is, my scalp clean so that it's less to clean out after I'm done washing my hair. And I don't know, because I go in when I wash, I do at least 3 rounds, so I don't know why that's happening. But it's been happening since I started my lock journey. So I don't know if it's normal or whatever, if I'm the only one experiencing that. I haven't seen anybody else talk about it except for one YouTuber. I don't remember her name, but I came across a video years ago and she was going through that. Hers was more severe. Mine isn't as severe, but it's still annoying. And so I just wanted to know if anybody else is going through that as well. But yeah, that's it. What can I say? I'm very happy I'm still on this journey. I plan on staying on this journey for, I don't know, indefinitely, but I have no urges whatsoever to take out my locks, cut my locks, or anything like that. And I'm just loving my journey. So I hope you all are loving your journey as well. And then you're doing anything you want to your hair, whatever you want. You color whatever you want, do it. Just do it. It's you, baby. It's your journey. It's your life. Your locks are your own. Don't let anybody tell you what you should and should not do with your locks. Of course, if you want them to be healthy, you should, of course, don't abuse them. But you know, in terms of styling and what have you, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. So yeah, that's just a quick lock update video. I hope that this was entertaining in some way. And if you like this video, like it. And if you want to see more of my content that's about anything, subscribe. All right, Ma. Oh, thank you to my old subscribers, and thank you to my new subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.